This is a diphthong, a double vowel sound. The shape the mouth makes changes from the beginning of the word to the end. It's pronounced oi. Did you notice how my mouth changed shape? Watch. Oi. Now you try. Listen and repeat after me. Oi. Oi. Now here are some words which have the oi sound. Choice, noise, boy. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Choice, noise, boy. Good. This is a diphthong, a double vowel sound. The shape the mouth makes changes from the beginning of the sound to the end. It's pronounced O. Did you notice how my mouth changed shape? Watch. O. Now you try. Listen, watch and repeat after me. O. O. Now here are some words that have the O sound. Boat, show, know. Now you try. Listen and repeat after me. Boat, show, know. Good. For speakers of some languages, it may be difficult to tell the difference between the diphthong O and the long vowel or. Listen carefully to hear the difference. For each example, I shall say the word with the diphthong O first. Coat, court, dough, door, sew, saw, flow, floor. Now you try. Listen again and repeat after me. Coat, court, dough, door, sew, saw, flow, floor. Good. This is a diphthong, a double vowel sound. The shape the mouth makes changes from the beginning of the sound to the end. It's pronounced air. Did you notice how my mouth changed from the beginning to the end of the sound? Watch. Air. Now you try. Air. Air. Now here are some words that have the air sound. Square, fair, pear. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Square, fair, pear. Good. Some learners may find it difficult to tell the difference between this sound, air, and another sound, the short vowel, a. Listen carefully to hear the difference. For each example, I'm going to say the word with air first. Dared, dad, glared, glad, Mary, marry. Now you try. Listen again and repeat after me. Dared, dad, glared, glad, Mary, marry. Good.